Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today I'm going to give you slime tips how to make it satisfying. So, number one is how to make an Instagram swirl. First you gotta do this 1,000 times or 100, count to 100 or 50, and then you make a swirl. Or you can count to 10. Like that. Then it should turn out like that. And number two is how to make a giant bubble. So, we gotta make it like this. Gotta make a lot of white. And you do that. Oh. That's how you clean it up. Stop smiling. That's the cameraman. It's Dad again. Woo! And then you pop. And if you wonder how to clean that up, you do it like this. And then it's so fast. And you get all your slime back. Dropped it. Sorry. Okay, let's try that again. Let's make it a giant one. I'm going to keep practicing one day. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you see that? Yeah. And we slammed. You saw nothing. You scared me, Mom. That's what I feel like you're about to say. You scare me. Yeah, you run away. 2, 1. Okay, and now number 3 is how to make a perfect ASMR. And you do it like this. You spread it, make it into a square for videos. This is for videos. If you really want to make a slime video. And then you do this. Whoa! Almost fell off the table. And if you want to make a slime bubble, it's invisible. If you want to make a tiny one, you gotta do it like this. It won't work. You have to make a huge one, I guess. And I don't even know what that noise is. Probably one from video game. I see you. Don't mind me, I'm just making slime. Whoop! Did you catch that? Yeah. Of course. Is there any over there? Some on my finger. Oh, Dad! There's something on your face. It's very red. Oh my gosh! I just made a huge one. And then you poke. And then whenever it floats down, you do that. And here's number 4. And there's going to be the last one. you make a perfect flip. Make it shallow. Like that. And then you do that. And then number 5 is the last one. How to make a Twizzler. And a Twizzler is this.